Hello journalers, welcome back. Today I found a traveler's notebook style journal from Seria, a 100 yen shop here in Japan, and I thought it would be fun to try making our own version using only 100 yen shop items. I picked up a notebook cover, some refills, charms, and a few extra pieces, so I'll show you a quick haul first and then we'll start putting everything together. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we have these traveler's notebook style covers. They had two designs available, so of course, I got both. Next are the refills. I believe these also fit the original Midori traveler's notebook size. Some of my friends here in Japan actually use these because they're functional and much cheaper, but of course, Midori paper quality is still different. Seria also has a passport size version. They had two cover designs as well, so I got both, plus two refills. I also got this stamp book. In Japan, some stations and tourist spots have stamps you can collect, so this is perfect for that. Since it's only 100 yen, you can stamp on it, cut the page, and paste it into your journal. And this one is the Travel Neko notebook. It kind of looks like a Japanese passport, so it feels very collectible and perfect for a travel journal setup. I also got this rubber string to attach the refills inside the notebook cover later, and a few charms that we might use today or save for future craft projects. Before we start, I just want to show you my current traveler's journal. It's pretty chunky now because I keep most of my journal inserts inside. So today we're going to make a 100 yen shop version inspired by it, using the items I showed earlier. For this setup, I'm going to use this notebook cover design. I think it gives more of a traveler's vibe. I'm using these tools to attach the strings inside so we can add the refills later. I'll link the tools in the description box in case you want to try this too. First, I'm going to measure and decide where we want to make the holes for the strings. After making the holes, I'm adding these eyelets to make them cleaner and stronger. Then I'll press them in place with this tool, so the cover won't tear easily when we add the strings. And this is how it looks now. Now let's add the string. By the way, I also have this string from Daiso. It's a bit thicker, so I think it will hold the refills more securely. Now for the fun part, adding the charms. I was thinking of using these charms on my traveler's journal, but I heard they might stain the letter over time because they are not made of brass, so I don't want to risk it and I really want to take care of it, so I'll use them here instead. Now that we're done with the cover, I'm going to open the refills and prepare the strings to attach them inside. For the regular size, they have two refill versions, blank and lined. I got two of each. I just realized the strings attached to the notebook cover are a little loose, so let's tighten them first. Okay, now I'm really seeing the vision. It's almost done and charms look really cute. It's still a bit loose, so maybe adding some stationery pieces into the pockets will make it look fuller. Alright, it feels fuller now. Now I'm going to make our own clip using some beads that I also got from Seria. OMG, it's so cute. I honestly can't believe how this turned out. It actually exceeded what I was imagining. I didn't expect too much since these are 100 yen shop products, but everything came together so nicely. Now, for the moment of truth, we're going to check the functionality and see if it can lay flat. I'm also going to test the refills by writing on them with the fountain pen. Alright, I think it's not bad at all, especially for casual journaling. Of course, I'm not comparing it to the original Traveler's Notebook refills because the paper quality is just different. For me, I'd love to give these refills a chance and use them for a while. Maybe I'll give you an update later on how they hold up. Now, I'm going to do a quick flip through so we can see everything we've put together. For the next vlog, we'll try the passport size too, and hopefully we can use more charms. Alright journalers, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Our content is mostly about Japanese stationery finds, stationery store tours, journaling, crafting, stationery events, and more. So if you're into that, you're in the right place. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!